Good morning, students. Today we are going to solve question number 4 and 5 of exercise 8.2. Question number 4 has 4 parts. It says find 15% of 250. First part says 15% of 250 we are supposed to find. Remember in introductory lecture I have told, if they have told find 15% of something, that means what you will do, 15% can be converted into 15 divided by 100 of will become multiplication 250, that is 15 divided by 100 of 250 they want us to find. So 0 and 0 will be cancelled out. 5 2s and 5 5s. So I will get 15 5s 75 divided by 2 is equal to 37.5. So I will write therefore 15% of 250 is 37.5. Hope you all are getting it. Now moving further, they told in second part 1% of 1 hour. 1% of 1 hour will be 1 divided by 100 into 1 hour. And 1 hour, can I write 1 into 60 minutes? 1 hour consists 60 minutes, right? So by calculation will become 1 upon 100 into 61 is 60. 0 will cancel out, so I will get 6 divided by 10. Further cancelling it, 2 3s and 2 5s. So I will get in minutes. This answer which came, which it will be in minutes. 1% of 60 minutes is 3/5 answer. If it is in seconds, so what will it become? The question was 1 divided by 100 into 1 hour. In 1 hour how many minutes are there? 60 minutes. And in 1 minute how many seconds are there? 60 seconds are there. So it will be multiplied 60 into 60. So I will get 1 divided by 100 into 3600. 0 will cancel out. So I will get 36 seconds. So I will get therefore 1% of 3600 second is 36 seconds. Hope you all are getting it. If they want us to keep it in hours only, so what I will do? In hour, 1 divided by 100 into 1 hour. So it will become 1 1s are 1 divided by 100. So it will become 0.01 hour. Hope you are getting this question. Moving to next part, that is part C. Part C says 20% of 2500 rupees 2500. Nothing to worry. Whatever they have given, we will write 20% will become divided by 100 of will become multiply 2500. 0 will cancel out. 25 into 2 will give me 50 and this 0, so it will become 500. So I will write therefore 20% of rupees 2500 is rupees 500. Moving to part D. Part D says 75% of 1 kg. So if I want to calculate only in kg, I will write 75 divided by 100 into 1 because it is 1 kg. So 75 ones are 75 divided by 100 will give me 0.75 kg. But if the answer they want us from in gram, so what I will do? In grams, 75% of 1 kg. In 1 kg, how many grams are there? 1000 gram is there. So I want to find 75% of 1000 gram. So I will write 75 divided by 100 into 1000. 20 will cancel out. So I will get 750 gram. So can I write? Therefore 75% of 1000 gram is 750 gram. Hope you have understood. We are going to solve question number 5 right now, but let me first write it down. So question number 5 says, find the whole quantity if 50% of it is 600. Students, in question number 4, they have given us whole quantity and we are supposed to find its part. See, they have told us, they have given us whole quantity and we are supposed to find the part. Here they have given us the part and we are supposed to find the whole quantity. So what we will do? We don't know that quantity, that is it portion we don't know. So we will write it as x. So we will write like this: 50% of x is 600. 50% we will write 50 divided by 100. Of will become multiplication. X is equal to 600. Is will become is equal to. So we want to find, therefore x is equal to 600 multiplied by 100 divided by 50. 0 will cancel out. 5 ones are 5 2s are 600 into 2 will give me 1200. So we will get our answer as x. So we will write, therefore 50% of 1200 is 600. This will be our answer. Moving next part, 12% of it, we don't know it, so let it be as x. So we will write 12%. 12% I will write 12 divided by 100. Of will become x, multiply, and the portion which we want to find we will write x. Is will become is equal to and 180. X we want to find out, so we will write, therefore x is equal to, this is in division, so it will go that side and multiply. This is in multiplication, so it will come this side and divide. 12 9s is 108, so 12 90s will become 1080. 9 1s are 9 and 3 zeros, so it will become 9000 rupees. 9000. So finally we will write, therefore 12% of 9000 is rupees 1080. 12,000 of rupees 9000 is rupees 1080. Moving to third part. Third part says 40% of it is 500 kilometer. We don't know the whole quantity of kilometer, so we will take it as x. So we will write like this: 40 divided by 100 of x is equal to 500. Therefore x is equal to 500 into 100 divided by 40. 0 will cancel out. 400 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, and 4 5s are 20. So 4 into 125 will give me 500. 125 into 10 will give me 1250. So we will write like this. Therefore 40% of 1250 kilometer is 500 kilometer. Fourth part says 70% of it is 14 minute. 70% of it is 14 minute. We don't know how many minutes, so we will write like this: 70 divided by 100 multiply by x, because we don't know whole quantity, is equal to 14. So we will write therefore x is equal to 14 multiply by 100 divided by 70. 0 0 will cancel out. 7 1s are 7 2s are 2 10s are is 20. So x is equal to 20. So we will write therefore 70% of 20 minutes is 14 minutes. Students, one more part is remaining, but I want you all to solve by yourself that one part so that you can understand properly and gain confidence. So we will meet with a new lecture in new video. Till then, take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.